Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Talk English channel with Lena and Ryan, the show where learning English feels natural, easy, and actually fun. I'm Lena.
And I'm Ryan. Hello, Lena. It's great to see you again.
It's great to see you too, Ryan. How are you today?
I'm doing really well. Thanks. The sun is shining. I've had my morning coffee, and it's just a beautiful day. How about you?
I'm wonderful. I'm happy to be here and excited for today's topic.
Oh, yes. We got a fun one today, and super useful for anyone learning English.
That's right. Today, we're talking about the first words you say to someone.
Exactly. How to start a conversation in English.
So many people find that first moment, the start, a little scary.
Yes, sometimes the hardest part is just saying the first word.
But don't worry. Today, we'll show you that it's easy and fun.
But before we begin, just a quick reminder.
Yes. If you're enjoying our lessons, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Because the more we share, the more we learn together.
All right, ready to begin, Ryan?
I'm ready. Let's start with the most basic and powerful word in English. Hello.
Yes, hello. It's a classic, right? Friendly, polite, and always safe.
Absolutely. You can say hello to anyone, your teacher, a stranger, your friend, even your boss.
And what about hi?
Hi is great too, just a little more relaxed, a little friendlier.
So, hello works for everyone, but hi is more for casual situations.
Yes, but these days, hi is so common that you can say it almost anywhere, even at work or in a shop.
So, we've got hello and hi. Super simple, right?
Exactly. And then we can make our greeting even better by adding the time of day.
Right. Let's talk about time-based greetings, morning, afternoon, and evening.
In the morning, of course, we say good morning.
So polite and positive. Good morning just feels cheerful.
I know. You can say from when you wake up until about 12 noon.
Okay, after 12 noon, we switch to the good afternoon.
Yes, that's usually from around 12 to maybe 5 or 6 p.m.
So if I walk into a store at 2 o'clock, I can say good afternoon.
Perfect. It's polite and friendly.
And then later, when the sun starts going down, we say good evening.
Exactly. Maybe from 6 p.m. onward, when it's dark, but before bedtime.
So, if I go to a restaurant for dinner, good evening is perfect.
Yes, just remember, good night is not for saying hello.
Oh yes, that's a common mistake. Good night is what we say when we're leaving, like before going to bed.
Exactly. So, good evening to start conversation. Good night to end one.
Perfect. You're a good student today, Ryan.
Haha, I'm trying my best, teacher.
So after we greet someone, what comes next?
The classic follow-up, how are you?
Yes. It's polite, friendly, and shows you care.
And the most common answer, the one we all learn in school, is, I'm fine, thank you, and you?
That's a great answer, but English speakers use many other phrases too.
Right. Let's go through a few.
If you feel good, you can say, I'm good, thanks.
Or, if you feel amazing, I'm great.
Nice. And if you're just okay, not great, not bad, I'm okay.
Exactly. Or you can say, not bad, thanks.
Yes, not bad is very common in daily English.
So you don't always have to say, I'm fine. You can sound more natural by mixing it up.
Let's practice, Ryan. How are you today?
I'm great, Lena. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. See? We're already having a conversation.
Now, what about when you meet someone for the first time?
Yes, introductions. You should always say your name.
You can say, my name is Ryan, or simply, I'm Ryan.
Right. My name sounds a little more formal, but both are great.
And then it's polite to ask, what's your name?
Exactly. Let's do a little role play.
All right, let's pretend we're meeting for the first time.
Okay, go ahead.
Hello, my name is Ryan. What's your name?
Hi, Ryan, I'm Lena. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lena.
See? Easy. Now we're not strangers anymore.
Yes, and nice to meet you is such an important phrase. Always say it when you learn someone's name.
And don't forget to add a to when you reply, it's nice to meet you too.
All right, so we've greeted each other, asked, how are you, and introduced ourselves. What next?
Now we need something to talk about.
Yes, a conversation starter.
A conversation starter is a small, easy topic that helps keep the conversation going.
The most famous one in English is the weather.
Of course. Everyone loves talking about the weather.
Exactly. It's safe, simple, and something we all experience.
So, you can say something like, it's a beautiful day today.
Or, the weather is so nice today.
And the other person can answer, yes, it is.
If it's raining, you can say, the weather isn't so good today, or it's raining again.
In my city, that's almost every day.
Same here. Let's review a few weather words. Sunny, it's a sunny day. Cloudy, it's cloudy today. Rainy, it's raining. Cold, it's cold today. Hot, it's so hot today.
Perfect. So next time you see someone, just look outside, instant conversation topic.
And here's a quick question for our listeners. What's the weather like where you are right now? Write your answer in the comments using a new weather word.
Another great way to start a conversation is by giving a compliment.
Yes, a compliment is when you say something nice about someone.
For example, I like your shirt, or your bag is really nice.
Exactly. And when someone gives you a compliment, the best reply is simple, thank you.
Yes, just smile and say thank you. It's easy and polite.
Let's practice.
Ryan, I like your sweater. The color looks great on you.
Oh, thank you, Lena. That's very kind of you.
See? Now you feel good, I feel good, and we're talking.
That's the magic of a genuine compliment.
Exactly. Just remember, be sincere. Only say it if you mean it.
And another easy way to start a chat, ask about someone's day.
Yes, like, how was your day, or are you having a good day?
And you can answer, it's going well, thank you, or pretty good, thanks.
Then it's nice to ask back, how about you?
Yes, how about you? Keeps the conversation going naturally.
Let's put everything together with a little role play.
Perfect. Let's imagine we're waiting for a bus, and we don't know each other.
Okay, ready? You start.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
The weather is really nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's so sunny, much better than yesterday.
I agree. Yesterday was so cloudy. By the way, my name is Ryan.
Nice to meet you, Ryan. I'm Lena.
Nice to meet you too, Lena. Are you having a good day?
Yes, it's a great day, thanks. How about you?
My day is going really well. Thank you. Oh, and I like your scarf. It's a beautiful color.
Aww.
Thank you so much, Ryan. That's so kind of you.
You're welcome. Oh, look, our bus is here.
Oh, yes. Well, it was really nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too. Lena, have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
That was a full conversation. And look how easy it was.
Yes. We used a greeting, asked how each other was, introduced ourselves, talked about the weather, and gave a compliment.
All simple steps that make you sound confident and friendly.
Exactly. Let's review for our listeners. First, greet, hello, hi, good morning. Second, ask, how are you? Third, introduce yourself, I'm Lena, or what's your name? 4. Start the conversation, talk about the WEAT, her, or give a compliment.
That's it. 4 easy steps to start any conversation in English.
Don't be afraid, even a simple hello can open the door to a great chat or a new friend.
And remember, every short conversation helps you practice and get better.
Yes. Even a 2-minute chat at a bus stop counts.
So go out there, smile, say hi, and start talking.
Before we finish, we have a question for you, our listeners. What's your favorite way to start a conversation in English? Do you talk about the weather or give compliments? Tell us in the comments below.
We love reading your answers, and we always reply.
Thank you all so much for listening today.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
See you next time.
Bye.
Everyone.